So I want to show you how you can use the type tool within the software, cross-stitch designer software from so-and-so to write messages and create some personalized cross-stitch designs. So once we've launched the program, we want to come up here to the text icon and then click where we want the text to go. Now you can here select what font you want to use. So click on change there. And basically, you've got all the fonts that you would expect to see in a normal sort of Microsoft Word application. So I'm going to choose this rather funky Bauhaus font. I want regular, but I want it quite large. So I'm going to go for 14 point, click OK, and click OK there. And then you need to actually enter the text that you want to write, and it gives you a list of all the available characters here. So I'm going to write just a simple message, happy birthday, and then click OK, and it will automatically put it in. Now you can see some things are more effective than others. You can see here that it's not great, but I can edit that. So I can choose to take out some stitches to make my font read better if I'm not keen on it. So we can edit that however we like. We can take out more, or I could add stitches. I can start to make that readable. I can create gaps between words if I like. You can play with that however you want. It's totally editable, and you can also change the colours. You could change the colour of every word if you wanted to. So that's really all there is to it. If you're not happy with anything, at any point you can Control Z, it will step back. You can step back as many times as you like. So I can go right back to the start again like that, or you can just select it and delete. And really it's about playing with it and just having fun, finding something that works. So I do like that font, but maybe I want to put it in a different colour. First of all, let's select some purple and let's try that font again. Let's try my message again. Maybe I want the word happy to be above birthday, so I can put it in like that and click OK there. What I meant to do was actually change the size there, so let's go step back again. It doesn't allow me to change the size, that's very weird. Let's try again. Let's try selecting a different font this time. That's it. There, that's where we change the size. You actually have to select the font. So let's try going up a couple of sizes on that font. Click OK, enter my text again. And click OK. There we are. That's very nice. I can zoom in and out. I can move around using my locator window. I'm going to zoom in a bit. There we are. And actually that works a lot better than in the larger typeface, but I can still put separation between the words if I want, so I can still play with that. And then also the other thing I can do is I can reposition those words. So if I just select that, I can actually move it so we can have the happy a bit more centrally. I can bring it down so it's closer. So we could line up that P with that H. That might work nicely. We can then take out these stitches so that lines up nicely with that. We can take that out too so they're the same size. And just play around. There's loads of different fonts to choose from, as I showed you. We've got all of these different fonts. Loads of different sizes. You can have different scripts as well. Lots of fun that you can have with that. And if you've got more fonts in your system, I think you can probably have those as well. There's a button here, show more fonts. Don't know what that does. And there's also some motif fonts. So if from the motif library, you wanted to use some of those, let's go back into the motif library. We've got some alphabets here. So we can select alphabets like that. And we can use those to write out our messages instead. So lots of different ways to work with text in the Cross Stitch Designer. I'm having so much fun here. I want to just carry on playing and seeing what I can create, because there's so many different possibilities. You could just carry on forever creating something totally unique that's just right for what you want it to do.